focus and talk about what's happening in West Bengal. And these are pretty dramatic developments, right? 1 month after the TMC that was voted out of power. The party which is now staring at an internal rift with former Chief Minister and TMC Supremo Mamata Banerjee seems to be losing grip over her own party and MLAs. And a group of rebel MLAs of the TMC led by Ritubrata Banerjee, who identify themselves as the real or the asli TMC, has now picked him as the leader of opposition in the West Bengal Assembly. He claims that he has the backing of nearly 60 MLAs out of 80. However, the rebels have also named Mamata Banerjee as the leader of the party, and they claim that no attempt is being made to split the party, and they want her to continue as the chief advisor of the party.
We have been accepted as the principal opposition in this 18th West Bengal Legislative Assembly. We want Mamata Banerjee to be our chief advisor, to give us advices. Two-thirds of them, more than two-thirds of them, has given our claim, and the claim has been accepted.
लेटर दिया, अभी जो एलओपी का रूम है वो अलॉट कर दिया गया है, एलओपी वहां पे बैठे हुए हैं. हम लोग चाहेंगे कि ममता दी हमारी एडवाइजर बन के रहे, हमें सलाह दे, और हम लोग ये एलओपी और चीफ व्हिप को लेके दल को अच्छे से चलाए विधानसभा के अंदर.
ममता बनर्जी जिसने तृणमूल कांग्रेस को जन्म दिया, तृणमूल कांग्रेस का मां जो है वही असली तृणमूल कांग्रेस है.
ये जो आज आप देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ पे ये है कि मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द एमएलएस मिलके 4 लीडर्स को चुना है, और ये 4 लीडर विधानसभा का फ्लोर में हमें लीड करेगी.
Now let's in the meantime get you the warnings that are now coming in as far as from within the BJP on the internal rift that seems to be turning into a headache for Mamata Banerjee. Senior BJP leader Swapan Das Gupta has now said that the party is in self-destruction mode. Obviously, he's referring to the TMC here. And in a social media post, he is now warning the BJP members to remain alert and vigilant against false friends that are seeking to join the party to escape their past actions. So this seems to be a warning that he seems to be giving to the BJP, his own party here, seeing that the party in opposition, which is now facing internal rift, which now seems to be breaking apart. However, it does not mean that those who drift away from the party, which is from the TMC, can now join the BJP. He's now hinting that indulging in such individuals within the BJP is something that they want to escape from their past actions. Rajesh is with us right now. So Rajesh, Swapan Das Gupta, senior BJP leader, seems to be giving out a warning saying that whatever is happening in the TMC should be left within the TMC alone.
Yes, TMC had said Khela Hobe. This was their slogan. But BJP has already finished the game by registering all the players of Trinamool Congress. Now Trinamool Congress has been divided into 2 pieces, Asli Trinamool and Nakli Trinamool. Yesterday we have seen a rare picture which has never seen in West Bengal politics before. Because Trinamool Congress MLAs clearly rejected the choice of Mamata Banerjee for the LOP in West Bengal Assembly. Earlier we have seen Abhishek Banerjee being the General Secretary of the party choose Shobhandev Chattopadhyay as the LOP, but now Ritubrata Banerjee has been the new LOP in West Bengal, and this change comes within just a week after the party gave the letter to the West Bengal Assembly Speaker seeking the recognition of LOP, Chief Whip and Deputy leaders. After the fresh letter submitted before the office of the Speaker in West Bengal Assembly, now a Speaker has already accepted Ritubrata Banerjee as the new leader of opposition in West Bengal Assembly, and Chief Whip has been nominated. Akram Jaman has been nominated as the chief whip of the party. Shivli Shah, Javed Khan have been nominated as the deputy leader of the party in West Bengal Assembly. But most significant is Ritubrata Banerjee has clearly said that they are willing to accept the leadership of Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee is their leader, but they are not willing to accept the leadership of Abhishek Banerjee. The issue is only with Abhishek Banerjee,
but
not with Mamata Banerjee.
Mamata Banerjee that they shouldn't be taken under the umbrella of the BJP either. You know, what is happening within the TMC is their own problem and not for the BJP to solve.
Yes, of course, this is internal rift of Trinamool Congress. BJP is just enjoying the game. sitting at the gallery. But BJP is not playing in the field. BJP is just watching the game and enjoying the game, sitting on the gallery, because this is completely internal, ripped inside Trinamool Congress. We have seen after this big development came yesterday, Trinamool Congress has dismissed all the committees, all the state committees, including all block, district level. Every committee has been broken.
Yes, and yesterday, the kind of blame game, what the TMC, what Mamata Banerjee herself has been saying, that it is all being done at the behest of the BJP to break her party, to split the MLAs. However, there has been a lot of dramatic developments that have alone taken place in the last 24 hours alone. So, Akansha, what is Swapan Das Gupta saying in this fair warning to their own leaders?
Absolutely. As you rightly mentioned, Mamata Banerjee has put the blame on Bharatiya Janata Party. Let me tell you what Swapan Das Gupta, BJP MLA, has said on this. I shed no tears for the TMC self-destruction. My only hope is that the political culture of the Vandals does not start contaminating the West Bengal Bharatiya Janata Party. We in the BJP have to be always wary of the false friends who are today causing up to us because they need to wash away their past sins. The detox of Bengal cannot be left incomplete. So this is what the Bharatiya Janata Party MLA has to say, saying that he shed no tears for the self-destruction when it comes to TMC.
All right. So at the end of the day, it comes down to the numbers there. Akansha and Rajesh, thank you very much for joining us here on the broadcast. So when do you do and what do you do when you need to catch up on the news on the move? Well, Times Play has you covered. The all-in-one OTT streaming platform that is developed by the Times Network that uniquely blends premium digital video entertainment with real-time news broadcasting. So you can catch your favorite news channel on Times Play, which is available on Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Back after a short break.